if you say you're going to tell me one quality of a person and I have to judge if that person is going to be successful or not, I'm going to say discipline, self-discipline. That's what we are going to talk about today. Hello everyone, I am Ajinkya and you are watching to the Be Productive series, wherein I make one video every day to help you to be more productive, to be more better versions of yourself. And today what we are going to talk about is self-discipline. Now, discipline is generally a negative word. If you go ahead and take a look at the dictionary meaning of it, it generally means to making someone obey to the rules, to making someone abide by rules. But discipline is something which is very, very, very important when it comes to your life or to you becoming successful in your life. Now, motivation is important. Every other positive aspect is important, but without discipline, all of these things are almost zero. Now, what is discipline? Discipline is something which will keep you on track, which will keep you know what has to be done, and you are able to prioritize the task. You are able to not go and just randomly sway away in something which you didn't want to do, or in something which does not add value towards your goal which you are pursuing. Now, for example, take I'll give you a situation where, let us say, you want to go from place A to place B, and I say that there are, in the road from A to B, there are 100 places where the road bifurcates into two. Now, one of the road goes towards A, but the other road basically travels back towards B, or maybe travels in some random direction. And then I make you sit in a car and say that, okay, this car is going to take you from A to B, but you know what? At every of these cross junctions, at every of these places where there will be two roads, one towards B, one towards any random direction, you don't know which, the car is going to decide in which direction it wants to go, and you will not be able to decide. Now, will you go ahead and ride that car? Will you go ahead and hop onto the car wherein you do not have any control of what your next turn is going to be, whether it is going to take you towards the end goal where you want to go, or whether it is randomly going to take you for a ride? Would you go ahead and hop on that car? Most certainly not, right? But then, do you realize that that is something that we all do in our lives? Now, all these turns are all the things that that drive us and make us choose the wrong roads. Are you driven by yourself, or do emotions drive you? Now, in most of the cases, if emotions are the some things which drive you, and you're always looking for comfort zones, what is going to happen? A moment your phone does it blinks, and then that's the road which is going away from your goal. You are doing something, and at that moment, if you decide, okay, I'm going to go on Facebook, and maybe I'm going to wait over there and see a few posts, that is a road which goes away from your goals. It is very important that you have a discipline in your life wherein you are able to follow some kind of rules, some kind of set notions for yourself, wherein you say that this is the things which are more priority for me, and these are the things which I should be doing first, and not just randomly swaying away. You should be able to take control of your own life, not anything else. Not anything else, not social media, not the news channels, not the TV series, not your friends, not your family, not your relatives, no one, not the society. You yourself can take control of your own life, and if you have that control, if you want to take that control of your life, discipline is the one thing which is going to help you to do that. Now, discipline is something which is going to get you out of the bed. Now, if you are motivated, now there's difference between being motivated and being disciplined. If you are being motivated, the motivation is a very good thing. You should really be motivated. But if you are motivated, there's a chance that you will start something on a very high note. You'll do that for a few days, and gradually that thing is going to come down. Maybe at times you can lose motivation, but mostly you're not going to lose discipline. If you have a set discipline in your life, this is the time you wake up, this is the time you get to work, this is how you work, this is when you finish the work, then you are really going to keep on progressing towards your end goals, towards your aims, towards your ambitions, towards your aspirations, and make them a reality. So, are you self-disciplined? The moment you go back on your bed, for example, this video is going to come at a time wherein a lot of you might be taking a look at this, and late night hours. Now, tell me one thing, the moment you decide that, okay, this is today I need to sleep a little early so that I can wake up tomorrow early, but then do you have the discipline in yourself which allows you to not touch your phone the moment it rings, the moment some message pops up? If you have that discipline, you are going to be able to put this schedule. But anyways, discipline is like that is an isolated event, but discipline is really important. Discipline is important for not just waking up on time and sleeping on time. It is important for getting your tasks done in a priority which is in a way which takes you towards your end goals, which keeps you on the track and does not randomly sway you across. So do tell me, do you think you are self-disciplined, and do you think that self-discipline has brought in a very good change in your life? Do let me know in your comments below. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to talk about another quality which is very important for your personal growth. So of course we meet again tomorrow. Till then, tata, bye bye, sayonara.